Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we have to start with question number 9, okay, from exercise 3D. Here in the question, it is given the surface area of each face of cube. I think so all of you know about the cube. It is a three-dimensional shape, and all the shape is look like square. In other words, in cube, we have length, breadth, and height. Um, all these are equal. Like in square length and breadth are equal. Similarly, here length, breadth, and height are equal. Okay, and they gave us the surface area. Okay, and what is the surface area which they have given us? X square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, and you have to find its length. Length means you have to find its one of its side. Okay. Surface area is given and we have to find its one of its side. Okay, so here we have to write the formula. First we have to solve the first portion of this question. Okay, first I have to rewrite this which is given, that is surface area, and when we have to solve, there is no need to write its unit, that is centimeter. So just I have to write the surface area. Okay, and the surface area this x square. Okay, x square plus 4x plus 4. Clear? Just I want to change its font. Okay. So this one is given and we have to use the same, we have to use the identity to solve it. And how we have to solve it? Look here, three terms are there in the center, plus is given. This means this one is the first identity. So you have to write first term square. Oh, first term square. Just copy down this square. Okay. So it is first term square, then plus 2. Okay. Then first term, next second term, and next plus second term square. Is it clear? Now we have to put the value. Look at the first term. In first term, it is given x square. Which variable I have to multiply 2 times to get x square? Obviously x. So here I have to write x. Again here I have to write the first term, that is x. 4. Which same number I have to multiply 2 times to get 4? Same number multiply 2 times. Obviously the 2. So here you have to write 2. Okay. This one is 2. Now look here, first term square plus 2, first term, second term plus second term square. Now, very much easier. Now you have to just write that which identity is given to you. Obviously, this one is the first identity, and in the first identity, always remember you have to put plus sign in the center. So first identity, you have to write first term plus second term. What is first term? X. Then you have to write the second term. What is the second term? That is 2. And then you have to take its whole square. Okay. You have to take its whole square. And all this equal to this surface area. Clear? Surface area is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Okay. And if from the first, look here, before doing this, we have to find the length. But before finding the length, we have to do one more step. Just look here. As you know, surface area is given. Okay. So what is the formula? Surface area. So which formula you have to use for finding surface area? That is L square. क्लियर हो गया? अब सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या? एल स्क्वायर, और सरफेस एरिया है क्या? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 4. ठीक है, तो और हमने फाइंड क्या करना? वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ. ओके, और ये जो आपके पास गिवन है, दैट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर सरफेस एरिया, दैट इज एल स्क्वायर. एल स्क्वायर जो है इट इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. ओके, अब ये जो हमारे पास वैल्यू आ गई, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अगेन द वैल्यू ऑफ एल स्क्वायर. एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर. और हमें चाहिए क्या? हमें चाहिए लेंथ. और लेंथ क्या होती है? ऑब्वियसली इट इज एल, सिंगल एल. और अगर एल स्क्वायर और यू जस्ट वांट अ सिंपल एल, तो व्हाट शुड यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू टेक स्क्वायर रूट बोथ साइड्स. ठीक है, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट both sides. So after taking square root both sides, what you have to get? You have to get its length. So length is equal to L is equal to x plus 2 whole square है, तो it is equal to just x plus 2. That is its length. Is it clear? What is its length? X plus 2. And what is its surface area? X square plus 4x plus 4. Now, in the second step, we have to find the volume. Okay. So, how we have to find the volume, I will tell you. But before finding the volume, just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now we have to find its volume. Surface area is given. Just I have to copy down this surface area. That is okay. First, we comes to the volume. What is the formula for volume of a cube? Volume of a cube. Obviously, it is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. Or we can say it is equal to L square and then okay. Just change the font. Okay. We can say it is equal to L square. इसको नीचे ही ले आते हैं. Look here. It is equal to L square multiplied by L. Why I have to write it here? Because we have L square and we have L. Volume of cube is equal to L cube. Actually ये इसका क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? Is equal to L cube. ठीक है. और फर्दर हम इसको करेंगे L square into L. Why I have to do this? Because we have already L square. Look here. This one is L square. This is given to us. L square क्या given है? ये this one is L square. Okay. इसको मैं वापस लाऊं. L square is given. I just copy down and then put it here. This one is L square. I have to put it in a bracket. And also we have L. And what is L? I have to write x plus 2. This one is L. Okay. Look here. L square is given, L is given. We have to find the volume. बेटा हमें वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना. वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला क्या? L क्यूब. L क्यूब कैसे आ गया? L स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय L. पावर ऐड होती है ना, तो 2 + 1 = 3. L स्क्वायर क्या है? सरफेस एरिया. और L क्या है? लेंथ है. लेंथ भी हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर ली और L स्क्वायर भी फाइंड आउट कर लिया. सिंपल. अब वी हैव 2 ब्रैकेट्स. I think so all of you know whenever we have 2 bracket, we have to break the first bracket or we have to break the second bracket and then we have to write the next bracket as it is. So I have to break this bracket x plus 2. तो कैसे ब्रेक हो गया? हम पहले इसका साइन लिखेंगे. नो साइन है, दिस मीन इट हैज प्लस साइन. ओके, तो इट हैज प्लस साइन. Next, no coefficient, so its coefficient is 1 and the variable is given, that is x. Then I have to put a bracket and inside the bracket I have to write the whole this bracket. Okay, I have to write this bracket. Next we comes to, again I have to write the I have to break the first bracket. Here I have to write plus 1 next. Which sign is given here? The plus sign is given, so you have to write plus 2 and again you have to write the complete bracket. Okay, look here, this one. Okay, now we have to open. Very easy. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 1, 1. X square multiplied by x, it becomes x cube. What it becomes? It becomes x cube. Okay, so here it is cube, so I have to put cube here. Look here, it is x cube. Next we comes to the second step here. Plus 1 ones are 1. Okay, and x multiplied by x, it becomes x square. It becomes x square. So I have to write here x square. Next Look here. 4 ones are 4. So here I have to write 4. Look here. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 4, 4. X into x, x square. Next come to the third term. That is again 4. For 1 time 4. And this and we have to write this x, which is outside the bracket. So I have to open the first portion of this question. Now we come to here. Now I have to multiply 2 with all these 3 terms. Okay. These terms are separated with these signs. So plus into plus, it is equal to plus 2 1 times 2. And next it is x square. Second to 4 times 8. Again, which variable is that is x, and here I have to write the sign, that is plus sign. Okay. And then I again have to write plus, and then to 4 times 8. Now we have to add the like terms, but the first time it is only a single term, so I have to write as it is. So just write this one. Next, 4x square, and that is 2x square, so I have to write side by side these two. This one is 4x square, okay, and this one is 2x square. Because we have to add or subtract the like terms. Clear? So we have to write this like now look here, 4x plus 2 plus 8x. So I have to write again this like term. Here x has different powers, and according to this we know that these are like term, and we have to add subtract. First is x square, then is x. There is a huge difference between x and x square. Okay. Now simply we have to add. Okay, I forgot the last term, the constant, that is plus 8. Now there will be no change in the first and the last term. Okay, here I have to write this. Next, now we have to add 4 plus 2, it is equal to 6, and then I have to write x square. Okay. Oh. And next, I have 4x plus 8x. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12. And next I have to write x, and in the end I have to write a constant, that is 8. Clear? This is the answer. X cube plus 6x cube plus 12x and plus 8. It is the volume. Okay. Firstly, we have to find its length, and after finding its length, it is very much easier for us to find its volume. Clear to all? So that is question number 9. Now we comes to question number 8. In question number 8, again the third identity is used. Okay, this one is 7. This one is 8. Okay. Here they are saying a plus 3 whole square minus 9. This one is the first term. The whole one is the first term. This one is the second term. And this second term is also the square. Look at this 9. This 9 is the square of which number? Which same number you have to multiply 2 times to get 9? Yes. So here I have to write a plus 3, and then I have to write whole square. Okay. Wait. Here I have to write whole square. And oh, okay. And then I have to write another bracket, and then here 9 is the square of a number. Do you know which number I have to multiply to get 9? The same number, 3. So here I have to write 3. The first term is a plus 3, and the second term is only 3. Now in the third step, what shall we have to do? First we have to write the first term, that is a plus 3. Okay. And then I have to close the bracket. Next I again write the second term, first term, that is a plus 3. Okay. So I again write the first term, that is a plus 3. Now this one is second term plus 3. So one time what shall we do? I have to add this plus 3, and one time I have to subtract this plus 3. I have to change the color so it becomes easier for you to do. Okay. So here you have to write plus 3. One time you have to add, and one time you have to subtract. Okay. One time you have to add, and one time you have to subtract. Now we have to do. So a plus 3 plus 3, it is equal to 6. And next we have a plus 3 minus 3, it is cancelled out and that is your answer. Okay, this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.